In the 17 years that I've had flare-ups, having all these herniations and not being able to move, it would take at least 2 to 6 weeks to recover because of the movement prescriptions that you would give me. I would literally recover 1 day later. The low back is great. It's basically at where I was when I was 14 years old. It's like back to when I was young again. I'm basically at 100% because I haven't been able to sleep that flexible in years, in like 16, 17 years. With all the tools that you've given me, this program was very good. I mean, the best program I've ever invested in has been this one, hands down. And at the beginning, I was very hesitant because everything was virtual, it wasn't in person. But, just following the steps, the exercises, doing them repeatedly throughout the day, and just keeping up with that, it definitely made a difference. This was great, definitely worth the time, worth the investment. No, and the fact that you're patient, you were always focused, you were giving the best quality of your knowledge and of your experience. That is what kept me going. You can tell that you care. That to me was the biggest thing. The fact that you cared and the quality. Any little curveball I threw at you, you did everything possible to get me to feel comfortable, not be in fear. And the fact that I finally found a program and a person like you, how you structured the program was the best I've ever seen.